Hello, welcome to this YouTube video. Welcome to another YouTube video. I'm Exploring with Morgan, your autistic vlogger. Let's get going with the video, shall we? We are on a class 319, fleet 319378. And we are going back to Lime Street. I'll inform you when we get to the next stop. Manual doors. I'm just going out of the toilet. While the lemonade just sat there on the seats. And this makes me nervous. Now this is
toilet door is locked.
This is a toilet tour of the class 319s. I'm just going to put you down for a short while. I'm now unpausing the video again.
Toilet door is unlocked.
Which is open. I think someone was unwell. And now we're just going to these two doors. We are at Lee Green. And
We will shortly be arriving at Rain Hill.
we are on the way back home, aren't we, Dad? I loved my chips and curry. I'm sorry you couldn't film it due to poor weather conditions. Very sorry about that.
Rain Hill. Whiston.
Whiston, the station before Highton. And what's its nickname, Dad?
Two dogs fighting.
Yep. Not long before we get home. And now we're just
We
coming
will shortly be
past.
arriving at Highton.
We're just coming
If
past.
you are leaving the train here, mind the gap between the train and platform edge.
Is it quite? Are you quite finished? Okay. We just come past Highton bus station. Two dogs fighting.
Highton. Liverpool Line Street. The next stop is Roby.
Okay, I've just realised that I haven't done this yet in the video, and I need to do it before it ends at 6 minutes or 8. So,
We will shortly be arriving at Roby.
if you like my videos,
If you are leaving the train here, mind the gap between the train and
so
platform edge.
ignorant and rude. Okay, so if you like my videos, please smash the like button and obliterate the subscribe button, because I need at least 1,000 subscribers to do a live stream. Thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye. Wait, no, I'm not saying bye yet. Wait.
This is Roby.
There's still more. Still. Okay, so just unpausing the video now. I'm not filming Dad now because he doesn't want to be filmed anymore. So, anyways, in tomorrow's vlog, we shall be seeing Dominic. He may or may not be on the vlog, depending on what he wants to do, because he's an adult now. And I'm this close to being an adult male. That close. Can't believe it. Can you believe it, Dad? And I'm not recording you, by the way, Dad. Exactly, only 2 years. Only 2 more years. 2. That's not a lot. Well, anyways, yeah. Well, I've got to leave y'all, so in about
This is Broad Green.
8 seconds, and it's flashing the recording time thing, so that's how you know a